Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Naomi, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I organize my refrigerator, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I like to do is just take everything out of the fridge and check if anything has gone bad and just toss it out right then and there. I was actually pretty surprised at all the stuff that I saw because I cleaned the fridge out 2 weeks ago, and just as time goes on, you're so busy with kids and stuff, things just kind of get pushed in there and things get pushed to the back and you don't realize they're there. So that's why we're going to take care of that today. If your fridge needs any cleaning, I encourage you, if you're laying on the couch or on the bed watching this video, I encourage you to get up, get to the kitchen, and let's get this done together. Something I find really helpful when I clean out the fridge is knowing what I need to pick up at the grocery the next time that I go. I realized we needed whole milk and almond milk, so guess where I'm going after this video. Now these containers that you guys see here, I picked up at home because I really like that store, and they always have everything that I need at a pretty good price. That bigger one is for your greens or grapes and things like that. Depending on what you're gonna store in there, it'll tell you like if it needs airflow and things like that. And the smaller one is for berries. That one I have in my hand now, I'm gonna use for the eggs, because the containers that they did have for the eggs hold 14 eggs, which is kind of weird to me because I've never seen like an egg carton that holds 14 eggs. And regardless, we buy a lot more than just a dozen or 14 eggs, so I needed a lot more storage for the eggs. Also, I wanted to mention that I didn't realize how much crap we had in our fridge until I just laid everything out on top of the counters. There was even things on top of our dining room table. As you can obviously see, there's just things everywhere. It just blew my mind. Now, I like to wash our fruits and veggies before I store them in the fridge. I just feel like it's so much nicer just to have it already prepared. So when you're ready to serve it, it's just so much easier for you and for your kids if you have any. That way they don't have to wait till you're like rinsing them and stuff. I know kids sometimes get so impatient. So I really suggest, if you have younger kids, to already have it washed. It'll be so much quicker, so much easier for you and for them. These little cherry tomatoes, I just wash them and stick them back into this container because it's so much more convenient. I don't have to buy like another container for it. Nil loves these cherry tomatoes. Like, if he eats them like if they were grapes, which is good because that means he likes vegetables, right? I forgot to wash the grapes, so I'm gonna do that now, and I'm just taking them off the vine and giving them a quick wash, and then I'll just let it drain for a minute, and then you guys will see I'm gonna place it in a glass bowl. You guys see that once I start placing the things inside the fridge. And to clean the fridge, I just like to put a little bit of water and vinegar into a bowl, and I'll just clean the inside of the fridge out. I just feel like it's a much safer way to clean it since we are putting food inside the fridge. Something that I try to avoid doing is like overbuying, because I feel really guilty when things go bad and I have to toss them out. So I'd rather just not buy too much, and that way we don't throw away food. Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and gave you guys a couple of ideas. If you guys have any ideas for me, please let me know down in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.